Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Zimbabwe trap beat. I'm going to be making Zimbabwe trap beat today. I'm going to make it right up to details. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell below so anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. It's me, the beat maker. I'm back to another beat. Now, when you launch your FS Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this. You right click, then you just click open. But for me, I've already launched my FS Studio, so I'll just enter my FS Studio like this. But first, to the basics, this is your channel rack. When working on this space on your channel rack, make sure it is in pattern mode. Always put your mode in pattern mode. Don't switch it to song mode, because if you switch it to song mode, when it's in pattern mode like this, if you switch it to song mode like this, then you are working here into playlists. That means you are working here. While working here, turn it to song mode. Yeah, now this is your mixer where you mix your beats. You put your plug in. Now this is my channel rack. I'm going to turn it to pattern mode. The next step, make sure you use these tools. As my cursor is pointing on the screen, this is file, this is edit, this is art, this is pattern, this is view, this is options, tools, and help. Now I'm going to click on art. Then I'll click on this one called hammer. After that, as you can see, this is my plugin. After that, I'll put my cursor like this on the plugin on my channel rack. Then I will left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. After that, I'm going to pick a good sound. So I'll click on this plugin options, put my cursor on this preset, then pick this one called recent thesis. Then I'll pick this one called harmony. That's it. As you can see, it's not sounding very good. I'll click on this plugin options preset. Then I'll click here on curse bells. As you can see, it's not sounding very good. I'll make sure I pick the right plugin. I'll click here on plugin options, click on preset, then click on lead mono. That's it. Once I pick the right plugin, good. I'm going to use this one. So I'll put my cursor on top of the lead mono like this. As my cursor is pointing on the screen, I will right click on piano roll. I'll just program my first to 4 bars, copy that to bar number 8. As you can see, I'm going to click select. Highlight to the left. That is, I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B, right up to bars number 8. That's it. After that, I will start to program my bass melodies now. This is my bass melodies, like this. As you can see, these are my bass melodies. After that, I'm going to pitch up this a little bit. Good. The next step, let's go to our channel rack. This is our channel rack here. I'm going to click on add. I'll just program everything because I have the experience, so I'll just program everything. After that, I'll arrange a beat, just like play the beat from the start to the end. Now let's pick this one 3 times aux. Now this is our bass melodies. Now I'll put my cursor on top of the empty space, left click, hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 7, put my cursor here, right click, then click piano roll. That's it. Now these are going to be the bass melodies for our Zimbabwe trap beat. how to make Zimbabwe beat. Good. Now it's okay like this. Very simple. Just right up to 8 bars. Now let's start programming our hi-hat. This is our hi-hat here on channel 3. I'll put my cursor on channel 3, right click, then click piano roll and open my piano roll. Okay, let's go. I'll just program the first 4 pattern of my hi-hat. Copy right to bars number 8. I'm in 2 pattern, number 3 bars. Right up to number 3 bars. Watch the way I'm programming my beat. I'm in number 4 now. Good. After that, I will left click, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B. I've extended my beat right up to bars number 8. The next step, our snare. I will right click, then click piano roll. This piano roll. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. I'm creating another bounce. I'm creating another bounce now. Good. The next step, now let's go to our kick. I'm going to left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Drag it to channel 1 on my channel rack, right click, then click piano roll. Now 1, our 2 kick here. Our 2 kick here, like this. 1 kick here, 1. 1 kick here, 1, 2 kick here. I'm programming my kick. I'm in number 7 now. I'm in number 7 bars. I'm in my 7 bars. That's it. I'll put 2 kick here, right up to number 8 bars. I'm in number 8 bars, 2 kick, 1 bar, 2 kick, 2 bars, 2 kick, 3 bars, 1, 4 bar, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 2, 8, 2 kicks. That's okay. Now let's go to our mixer. Make sure you use these tools up here. Our mixer, view mixer. I'll turn down the 6, turn down the 7, turn up the kick. Now let's go back to our kick, channel 1. This is our channel rack. I'll click here, the effect target. I'll turn up the bow knob right up. Now I've turned it up. I'm going to turn up my kick. On 6, slot 1, I'm going to add a Fruity multiband compressor. Slot 2, I'm going to add a Fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3, add a Fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 4, add a Fruity parametric EQ2. That's okay. 7, I'll click on slot 1, add a Fruity limiter. On slot 2, I'll click on slot 2, add a Fruity compressor. I'll click on slot 3, add a Fruity. Today I'll add a Fruity parametric EQ2. That's okay. 3, I'll turn on channel 3, slot 1, I'm going to add a sound with Nizer. On channel 4, I'll click on slot 1, add a Fruity parametric EQ2. It's time to swap left and right. I'll click here, click, reverse the polarities. I'll just click, make sure click this, reverse polarities, click, reverse polarities like this. Just click. As my cursor is pointing, I'm clicking. As it's turning blue, that's it. It's okay. Now let's go to our playlist to arrange our beats. View playlist. This is our playlist here. Pattern 1. Where I've written pattern 1, I'll put my cursor like this, right click, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we are programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll click on my kick, then click here, click on my hi-hat, click here, click on my snare, click here, click on my first melody, then click here, click on my last melody, and click. After that, I'll click on select. I'll make sure you use these tools over here. I'll click on select, put my cursor here, left click and hold the left click button, drag my cursor, drag my mouse to the left, then press Ctrl and B several times, many times to extend the beat. I've extended my beat by pressing several times. There is no specific to extend your beat, but extend your beat to make it longer, to create space for an intro and outro. So I'll then come here and click draw, put my cursor on top of the kick, left click to remove the kick, left click to remove the hi-hat, left click to remove the snare. I'll click on select again, put it here, left click and hold it, drag it to the left, press Ctrl and B. I'm extending my beat now. I'm extending my beat. I'll put my cursor like this, drag it again to see what I'm doing, to see the clear view. After that, I'll click on draw, click on lead mono. This is my outro. I'll click on 3 times aux. This is my outro. I'm going to put my cursor here on hi-hat, left click to remove the hi-hat, put my cursor on snare, left click to remove the snare. Let's go to our mixer. 3 and 4. I'll put my cursor on channel 3, right click, then click create automation clip. This function is to control the volume automatically. On channel 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip on the hi-hat and on the snare. Now let's spice up the beat. I'll just click on my hi-hat here. If it's like this, make sure you take note. I'm screwing here where I've written pattern 1, so that you just scroll, put your mouse like this. Make sure you scroll to see your instrument, so you can just come here and click on draw, click on hi-hat, just click here, put your cursor like this, turn it to the left to reduce it, to create an intro that is a semi-intro. At the ending of the intro, you hear the hi-hat here. At the starting point of my outro, you hear the hi-hat alone before the outro gets finished. Now let's listen to the Zimbabwe trap beat from the start to the end. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow on another beat. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye.